Welcome to part 2 of answering the most commonly Googled questions or most commonly asked questions at a medical spa. I'm Dr. Walters. I'm founder and owner of AirMed Spa in Sarasota, Florida and Lakewood Ranch, Florida. I am a published author of Medical Spa Secrets to Lifting Your Confidence with Neurotoxins, Dermal Fillers, and PDO Threads. And yeah, let me get started because I only have like about 10 minutes or so. Probably like 5 minutes actually to answer more questions. So I'm just gonna kind of get right into it. Sculptra versus filler, which is better? They both work differently. So it just depends on what your goals are. If you're looking for a more now result, like you have an event coming up and you need results quickly, then probably filler is the way to go. However, if you're willing to go on the journey and you want to get down to the root cause of why your skin is aging, why you have loss of elasticity, loss of collagen, why everything is falling down. You want to get that healthy structure and shape and firmness back into your skin. So I definitely recommend Sculptra. It is 100% worth the wait because not only are you getting that volume enhancement, you're also going to firm the skin, improve elasticity, renew that collagen, and get that overall glow. It'll also help improve texture as well. So it really improves the health of your skin. Filler is usually indicated just for volume replacement and volume enhancement. Areas that you can treat with filler and not Sculptra. Filler is usually indicated for lips or I guess areas I would never treat with Sculptra that you would use filler. You can't treat Sculptra with under eyes or lips or anywhere around the mouth. So also kind of depends on which area of the face you're getting injected, whether it's Sculptra or filler. Usually a combination approach, multiple modality is best and what's recommended for best and most natural looking results and longest lasting as well. So just depending on your goals, what's your skin like, what areas of the face you want injected, and what your timeline is like. That's really the determination of Sculptra versus filler. Does Sculptra make you look younger? Absolutely 100% yes. The reason being Sculptra stimulates your own body to produce its own natural collagen. Collagen is what makes our skin glow. It is the underlying structure and foundation of our skin responsible for the overall glow, the firmness, and the structure. If you're noticing that you have like sagging skin or maybe a lot of texture, your skin looks dull or aged, probably could benefit from some collagen injections. The beauty of collagen injections, Sculptra, is that it is your own natural collagen. So results will look super natural, results are very long lasting, and yes, you absolutely look younger. Think a younger, more refreshed version of you, kind of like what you looked like maybe like 10, 15 years ago. Can Sculptra replace filler? Sculptra and filler are two completely different modalities, and it just depends on what your goal is. Sculptra helps renew collagen, so firms the skin, helps improve with elasticity, texture, and building that overall rebuilding the health of your skin again. Whereas filler helps to sculpt, define, lift, and improve areas of volume loss by adding and replacing lost volume. So I wouldn't say one is a substitute for the other, but again, what's your goal? What's your skin like? Usually a combination approach is best. It is possible to inject both Sculptra and filler same day as long as you're not injecting in the same plane or same area of the face. So if you're looking for results that last and improving the overall health and collagen of your skin, but you kind of want to see that now and wow result, it is possible to get them both done on the same day. Just talk to your injector about the risks associated, which areas of the face you want injected, and making sure they're on different planes of the face. What is a biostimulator filler? A biostimulator filler is something that has the best of both worlds. So the biostimulation, meaning that stimulates your own natural collagen, and then filler means that it fills right away. Radiesse does both. So it is the best of both worlds. Radiesse is a very widely used filler, very popular filler. We use it here at AirMed Spa. And what I like about it is that it gives you results right away, helps with volume improvement, but also helps your body produce its own natural collagen. Radiesse is commonly blended down, which is a technique called hyperdilute. Hyperdilute radius can be used anywhere in the body, full face, neck, crepiness in arms, legs, knees, abdomen, to really help to stimulate your own collagen without getting so much of that volume enhancement. So I would say, if you're looking for results now, but also wanting to stimulate collagen down the road, Radius might be a great option for you. What are the best injectables for aging skin? I would say your first go-to would be Botox all the way. Any neuromodulator, just to help get your muscles a little bit more relaxed, looking a little more refreshed, and open up those eyes, lift those jowls, help with maybe if you have a gummy smile or you have very thin upper lip, maybe help lift to the pink of your lip. Botox gives a very subtle but also refreshed look. You should still look like you. It is a commonly first step used towards injectables. However, it just kind of depends on what your goals are. I feel like I repeat that a lot. Like, it depends on your goals are. That's the beauty of aesthetics and aesthetic medicine, is that it's all customizable. There's no like strict protocol and this is the order you need to go in or this is what you need. Although sometimes that information is presented to us in a way on social media, or maybe you're Googling online or you're reading all the labels from all the companies. But really, it's all customizable. It's about you and what you're looking for. What are your goals? My first recommendation for anyone who wants to just start slow and they still want to look like themselves, maybe a baby Botox dose, medical grade skincare, and maybe the occasional facial. If you have more skincare concerns such as texture, pigmentation, wrinkles, maybe your skin's starting to sag a little bit, maybe doing another corrective therapy but is more natural of a result. So microneedling is also a great way to start into your aesthetic journey. So again, just depends on what your goals are, what your skincare concerns are. But no matter what, the bread and butter is going to be Botox and medical grade skincare all the way. What is the best treatment for jowls without surgery? My recommendation, best treatment for jowls without surgery, absolutely hands down, would be the PDO thread lift. PDO threads, it's a lesser invasive treatment, non-surgical solution for lifting and firming sagging skin. In my opinion, it is the best way to lift sagging skin without plastic surgery intervention. What they are, threads are sutures that are placed under the skin. They have little hooks on them, kind of looks like barbed wire. That's why they're called barbed threads. And they're placed under the skin to pull and lift the skin up and back. What I like about threads is that the ones that we use at Air Med Spa are fully absorbable. So over time, your body gradually breaks down the product and the product turns into natural collagen. So that's what maintains the lift and the hold long term. The threads gives you an instant result, very minimal downtime. Expect 2 days where you're not going to do any intense cardio, exercise, heavy lifting, or exaggerated facial expressions. And after that, enjoy your results. About once a year maintenance is expected. However, there's no quick fix to fixing or lifting the jowls. Yes, the threads is a great option and it's a great first start, but other treatments that I might recommend to enhance and optimize the result would probably be maybe a Botox along the jawline to help with the lifting of the lower face, most commonly known as the Nefertiti lift. Also, if you're a good candidate, if you have some bone loss around this area in the jawline, sometimes the posterior jawline, what we call pre-auricular area, a lot of post-menopausal women tend to lose a little bit of volume in that area. So by replacing a little bit of that volume with some filler can be very beneficial to improving that overall lift and improving the jowls. Also, part of the reason why you might be having jowls and sagging skin is because of the quality of the skin. Your skin's paper thin and it's starting to fall down, and maybe you lost a lot of weight recently. So doing some biostimulators to improve the health, improve the quality of the skin will help to firm that skin. I do recommend firming the skin and making sure that you have nice, healthy, firm skin to lift with the PDO threads, because lifting paper thin skin, it's just gonna fall down that much quicker. So we wanna improve the quality, make sure you have something that the threads can hook onto, and then to give you that overall lift. Maintenance is key. There's no one quick, easy, one and done. Maintenance and consistency, that's the best answer, the best advice I can give you if you have sagging jowls and you do not want to do plastic surgery. Unfortunately, that is all the time that I have for you guys today. I have to get going. I promise I'll do more questions tomorrow. I'll think of like a fun topic. Maybe I could do a little bit more of a narrative rather than just like the question, answer, even though those are fun too. Anyway, if you have any questions that you want answered, make sure you comment in the comment section. Follow me on all my socials if you don't already, at Dr. Walters DNP. I'm most active on Instagram. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our channel. And if you are in the area, if you're in Sarasota, Florida or Lakewood Ranch, Florida, I would love to see you. I would love to customize a program for you for your overall skin and wellness routine. We will use our busiest skin analysis machine where we can take pictures and do an in-depth customized analysis and routine that we can track and measure. Anyway, I can't wait to see you guys. Go to our website, airmedspa.com, call or text the phone number associated in our channel, or click the link in bio. So anyway, until next time, look and feel like a millionaire.